Hi, welcome to MeenMan Cooks. In today's episode, we are going to teach you how to make chick liver soup. Now let's see what all ingredients we require for the soup. Liver. This is liver from 2 chickens. Oil. Butter. Saunf. Jeera. Pepper, curry leaves, onion medium size, ginger garlic paste about a teaspoon, 1 medium sized tomato, 1 or 2 green chilies, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, salt to taste. Now can you see the coarsely powdered pepper and jeera? This helps the essence of it to get into the soup. I'm adding roughly a spoon of butter at room temperature. To that I'll add just half a spoon of oil, I've added the saunf before the butter melted because the butter tends to burn. Now I'm going to add the curry leaves, just 1 green chili, chopped onions, just adding a pinch of salt, that helps in the onions to wilt faster. Now you can see the onions are changing color. So now it's time for us to add the chopped tomatoes. Going to add a pinch of turmeric, have some freshly made ginger garlic paste. This is very good for health, so 1.5 spoons should do good. Which means it has cooked. Now I've chopped the liver. This is liver from 2 chickens. I'm going to add it to the onion masala. Along with that, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of crushed pepper jeera. Food is very relative. It's about how you like it. You like it spicier, you can increase the chili, you can increase the pepper. I've already added a little salt. I'm adding a little more. It's always better to add less salt and increase it later than make your dish extremely salty. You can add about 4 to 5 cups of water. Yeah, now it's on sim. I covered it, let it cook well. About 15 minutes should be fine. Then you can see if the meat is totally tender. You could either blend it and have it, or have it as a thin soup by straining it. It depends on the individual's taste. You can see it boiling, so I'll keep it covered for some time. This has this vent to keep the steam inside. I can even let out the steam, whichever ways I want to cook it. So let it simmer for about 15 minutes and our yummy soup is ready. Now the soup is ready, as you can see it, ready to be served. See, it's cooked perfectly. Wasn't the chicken liver soup very easy? If you liked it, please do press the like button. If you think your friends will also like it, which I'm sure they will, please share it. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe, so if you would like more updates from us, please do subscribe and hit the bell button. If you have some interesting recipes that you would like to view, please feel free to share it with us on contact@meenman.com. If you have a dish in mind that you would like us to cook for you, please WhatsApp your name, contact number, email ID to 985 MeenMan. That is 985 6336 626. Got it? 985 6336 626.